While I'm driving the skid steer, I gotta clean it up once it, clean up the bottom stuff in the pile once we scoop it all up with the payloader. That's 2 yards in that bucket of stone. This one's a 7/10 of a yard bucket on here. I just got done delivering my first order in the 1 ton over there, so that was fun. Piece of cake. Our 80 different products we have. We're putting on 3/4 inch blue Montana though right now. Putting 17 yards on. There's our most expensive stone right there. The 2 piles, 3/4 inch black diamond and a 1.5 inch black diamond. You can tell by the sparkle. Those are expensive stones. $195 a yard. They run that. Most expensive one. There's our white marble then too. That one's pretty expensive too. Field stones over there. Pile's going smaller. I'm the cleanup guy. I gotta scoop up the bottom stuff. So this is a fun little machine to run. There's Jules over there. Sorry if I'm not posting a lot. I gotta do a lot of school, finishing up my year of school, and then I'm working quite a bit too, so yeah. 1.5 skid steer buckets is a yard on this machine, a 7/10 of a yard bucket. So we got our AC controls in here. I can show you some of the stuff. AC, windshield wipers, controls. I'll show you how I start this thing then too. There's me. How's it going, guys? Back to work. Keys, joysticks. This is the raise it up. No, I mean, excuse me, this is the drive it. Forward, backward, sideways, reverse, skid steer. And this is the controls, raise it up, put it down, dump it out. Actually, this is the lift it up. This way is the lift it up. That's the dump it out. Yeah, and then there's my throttle down there. Pedal throttle. And hand throttle right here. See right there, black diamond stone, $195 a yard. Yes sir, it's expensive stuff. White marble is $160. So, got my GPS. Because for my order I did, my first order, that was a fun order. So, yep. Fun, I like working. Back to work. There's the bar, goes over you. Fasten your seatbelt. I'm good for now. Let's see, so start it up. Glow plug light's usually right there. It's hot out. It's supposed to be a high of 75 today though, so glow plug shouldn't be on, which is good. Starts up. You hit this button, and that is press to operate. And then I have it on the 1 joystick mode, otherwise you can switch it to the other one and we use both joysticks, but I like this one, so. Lifts up the bucket. Throttle. Once it gets pretty low down there, then I gotta clean it up. So just wait for him. My grandpa's in there, my Uncle Tom's in there. My grandpa's in the loader, my Uncle Tom's in the dump truck, so. That's a 2-yard bucket on there. If you got a nice heap on it, it is. So this is what I'm going to be doing all summer. It's a fun job for sure. Oh, you love it. It's not too busy today. Business starts picking up in about May 1st, but yeah. Sure is nice though. Looks like I didn't have to clean it up after all. We had enough. Fun job. My brother's in the PayLoader. There you have it. There's my grandpa's truck. Pretty nice. See you guys.